Live like royalty in the heart of Liverpool at one of the city's finest student accommodations, Albert Court. Located at 211 London Road, this vibrant haven offers stylish en-suites designed for ultimate comfort, featuring a cozy bed, dedicated study desks, spacious wardrobes, a fully equipped kitchenette, and a private bathroom. But the perks don't stop there. Step outside your door to discover top-notch amenities including study spaces, common rooms to unwind, an on-site gym, laundry facilities, easy online maintenance requests, 24-hour security, and more. And with on-site parking, you can leave your car safely while you focus on what matters most. Best part? You're just a short walk away from the Liverpool School of Tropical Medicine and the University of Liverpool, so you'll always be on time for class. When you're ready for some downtime, grab a bite at the Old Fort or Leangie Wraps Liverpool branch, or pick up essentials at Little Superstore or Go Local Convenience Store, both just a few steps away. Plus, with bus stops like Falkland Street and Erskine Street nearby, getting around the city is a breeze. Ready to make unforgettable memories? Visit amberstudent.com now and secure your spot at Albert Court Liverpool today.